put on the youth. Them lock we down, we lies with guns, with wicked truth. From the ghetto wall to the palace gate, them high. But I and I now go we trod with Selassie. I me hear the crying of the night. The mother weep for our son. Lost to the system, we no care for the poor one. But the root them run deep like the river for the sea. Jah Jah call we name, time for set the people free. Rise up Zion road, trod the righteous way. Break the iron chain, see the brighter day. One blood, one fight under Jah Jah ray. Rise up, Babylon can't stay. Rise up Zion road, let the justice flow. From the east to west, let the people know. We not live in a fear, we not kneel no more. Rise up till we reach the shore. Them build the wall, feed divide, for keep we small and blind. But we vision clear, like the eagle pon the wine. We chant down the beast with the word we burn like fire. Unity are the weapon, love are the empire. From Kingston corner to the worldwide street them roam. The youth them rise with the drum, with the bass line home. No more silence, no more tearing a vein. I and I together break every chain. Rise up Zion road, trod the righteous way. Break the iron chain, see the brighter day. One blood, one fight under Jah Jah ray. Rise up, Babylon can't stay. Rise up Zion road, let the justice flow. From the east to west, let the people know. We not live in a fear, we not kneel no more. Rise up till we reach the shore. I say no justice, no peace, no rest for the wicked. The poor man cry, the rich man pick the pocket. But Jah Jah watch, Jah Jah see, Jah Jah move. We rise like the lion, we groove like the dove. So light with chalice, hail the king for the throne. We build a new world on the rock when now alone. Every voice of the chorus, every step of the march. From the ashes of the old, the new Zion art. Tomorrow we stand tall with the sun upon we face. No more division, just the human race. Rise up, my brother.